Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you all college. On this Zoom opportunity, we will discuss the evaluation of the external environment of the Five Force Company, which will be presented by Group 4. Next. And these are the people involved, including myself, Dwi Purwanti, my colleague Ayu Soleha, Seprilia Eka Putri, and Halifia Safitri. Next. So, understanding Porter Five Force analysis. Porter Five Force is a method used to identify and analyze competitive strength in an industry, which can help determine the weakness and strength of that industry. Next. So, external environmental analysis. External environmental analysis in the Porter Five Force model, Raja Sekar Al-Rae 2013, is a very powerful tool that can be used to analyze various industries and can determine the key components that determine the overall strength in each force. Next. So, competition among industries. Thomson Jr., Strickland 3, and Gamble 2005. The level of competition in an industry is how much competitive pressure comes from effort to obtain a better market position, higher sales and market share, and competitive advantage. Competition arises because one or several competitors feel pressure or see an opportunity to expand their position in the market. Next. So, high level of competition factor. Many competitors. The industry is stagnant or in decline. Companies have different costs. Business is under stress. The product is undifferentiated, or the buyer has long switches costs. Price cannot be adjusted quickly. There are many or rare sales orders. The industry does not have a history of cooperating pricing. Barriers to exiting large industries. High industrial price elasticity of demand. Weak competitor factor. The industry is not moving aggressively in increased sales and market share. Buyer demand is rising rapidly. Competitors' products are highly differentiated and customer loyalty is high. The costs for buyers to switch brand are very high. There are less than 5 sellers or many competitors, but competitors are not have an impact on competitors. Okay, my colleague will discuss it next. Please.
Okay, next, factor for attacks buyers. Lowering the price, different project feature, better product performance, better quality, strong brand image. There are many models to choose from. Larger dealer network, low interest, more ads, ability to carry out high project innovation, better customer service, and high capability that provide custom made product for customer. Okay, next, Porter's 5 Forces Framework. Yang pertama ada ancaman pelaku bisnis, kemudian ada daya tawar menawar pemasok, kemudian ada tingkat pesaing internal, kemudian daya tawar menawar pembeli, dan yang terakhir ada ancaman produk substitusi. Okay, next, baru 2012, the threat of new business factor is the level of easy with which the new competing companies can enter the market. New entrants to an industry can threaten existing business players because they bring new capacity. Desire to gain market share and substitute resort. There are 7 main sources of threat to new business actor. Number 1, economies of scale refer to the saving of tax net by companies in industry because by an interest in production volume. Customer attack great impact to product reputation or customer are loyal to the brand new entrants must invest healthy to treat product reputation and high brand awareness. Capital requirement examples include advertising. New entrants access critical input, including know-how in technology, raw materials, distribution, and location. Learning or experiencing curve in some business. There is a tendency for niche to distress as company interest experience in product goods. Government regulation. The government can limit or close opportunities to enter the industry through control, such as the need to license the restrict access to raw materials. And next word, externalities.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce, my name is Ayu Soleha. Here I will explain the next material about bargaining power or bargaining with supplier. Birch and Robinson, 2003, supplier can set power bargaining in industry with method attrition, a large rise price or reduce quality product or purchase service from supplier can pass something profitability industry, so industry now can restore increases cost in price alone. Example, industry automotive where supplier compare automotive like tire manufacturer of producer glass car can own strength in determine price or condition purchase to producer care. There are 6 sources supplier considered strong if they own strength in negotiation with a buyer because domination like compared with a product substitute attachment with industry buyer, the importance product for buyer, the product is differentiates or on cost with high and threatening for integrate business with buyer strength. This can influence price and terms in industry. Bargaining power or bargaining with buyer is ability buyer in something industry for influencer condition business with method push price, demanding quality high and competition, but when supplier strength buyer in the industry curtain influenced by market characteristics and the extent of purchase they role important in wall business. In this case, where the buyer is very important for industry, thus they on strength more big negotiation and can influence profitability industry. The example, industry device hard computer, where is the buyer corporate often on strength in negotiate with producer for more price, good recruitment service, substitute product is the potential for replacing a product or service with another alternative that could make the maximum price a producer can charge and therefore profits. Lower competition increases because consumers are more likely to switch to cheaper or more profitably alternative when the relative prices of those products fall and switching could become lower with the existence or profitable substitute product. Competition between producers become more intense. Example, the private transportation industry, where the use rider-sharing service such as Uber or Lyft can be a substitute for private vehicles or commutation taxis. Okay, next will be explained by my colleague Seprilia Eka Putri.
Okay, my name is Aprilia Eka Putri. Here I will explain example company. Example of company competing between industry. PT Bakri and Brothers began to enter the telecommunication industry in 1989, a step to diversify this company into new sector. Initially, focusing on the energy on mining business. The show how companies can adapt to market change and seek to take advantage to opportunities in emerging industry. Next, PT Telkom Indonesia has a long history that began to 1882. Initially, it was a private business entity that provided postal and telegraph service under the Dutch colonial government. Over time, this company has developed into a leading telecommunication company in Indonesia with a variety of telecommunication service, including fixed telephone, cellular, internet, and others. This reflects the company's long evolution in providing modern communication service in Indonesia. Next. Okay, next, Porter 5 force analysis. After analyzing one by one the 5 that influence the industry, service business, and transit interconnection service. 1. For the threat to no entrance, the result were Higgs. This result provide the conclusion that the threat of new entrants entering this industry will encounter major obstacles toward new player in this industry. Namely, Bharti Telkom will experience difficulties. New player such Bharti Telkom will face significant obstacles in their attempts to enter the market, meaning that existing companies in the industry have some protection against competition from new players. Next. And 2, the threat of substitute product to the industry is high. With the understanding that substitute products with their turn the industry with a large third effort. So the industry needs a strategy to deal with threats, especially threats to substitute products such as a mobile service and network rentals. Replacement product can be mobile service or network rental providers. This indicates the need for a strategy to protect market share and product or service differentiation. And 3, for the bargaining power of buyers, potential telecom partners towards the industry, a high assessment result was obtained. Due to the close relationship between the threat of substitute product and the bargaining power of buyers, the presence of high bargaining power of buyers, especially potential telecom partners, shows that buyers have a big influence in determining price and purchasing condition. If there is a substitute or alternative product that offers better value or a lower price, buyers have enough bargaining power to switch. Next. And 4, the bargaining power of the supplier telecom towards the industry is considered high because in this industry, the supplier has an interest in the industry. As a supplier in this industry has a bargaining power, this can affect price, quality, and purchasing condition in industry. And 5, competition between competitors in the same industry between Telkom and Indosat obtained medium result because currently competition in the industry does not experience obstacle between fellow competitors, but it could be high due to the entry of a new competitor, namely Bakery Telkom, to play in this industry. Current competition between competition in industry, such as Telkom and Indosat, is considered moderate. However, with the possible entry of new competitor, such as Bakery Telkom, the situation might turn high in the future. Therefore, competition in this industry must remain alert and ready for more intensive competition. Carrying out detailed analysis can help companies in the service industry to plan better strategies, identify opportunities, and overcome challenges that exist in their competitive environment. Thank you.
Okay, give us all a round of applause. Thank you, colleagues, for their time and cooperation. We are satisfied. I apologize if there are any wrong words. We will end it. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.